Hello, welcome to Prosecutor's Brief. My name is Mary Sawicki, and today our topic is delivering an effective opening statement in a child abuse case. An opening statement is the first opportunity a prosecutor has to present to the jury the proposed facts that will come from the witness stand at the trial. Preparation, preparation, preparation. An effective opening statement is nothing that a prosecutor can prepare at the last minute. From the first time that you are assigned this particular case, the prosecutor should be thinking about how they're going to deliver the opening statement. The first thing in preparation, of course, is to know the facts of your case and think about how these facts will be delivered to the jury from the witness stand. In preparation to deliver an effective opening statement, the prosecutor needs to first think of two things: the theme of the case and the theory of the case. Child abuse prosecutions are oftentimes very emotional and challenging, and there tends to be many common themes that run through child abuse prosecutions. But of course, every child and every set of facts in the cases are unique. Some common themes that run through child abuse prosecutions can be secrecy, manipulation, grooming, authority figure abuse, or the targeted child, for instance. So for the prosecutor, think of what your theme, the most appropriate theme, will be for your case, and begin to weave that theme as you deliver your opening statement to the jury. Also consider the theory of your case. How will you prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant perpetrated these particular crimes? So we're going to be talking today about how to deliver an effective opening statement in a child abuse case. But let's first start out with what I think is not effective. What is not effective, I believe, in an opening statement is for the prosecutor to get up there in front of the jury and simply list who the witnesses will be. For instance, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you will hear from Detective John Smith today, and I expect his testimony will be, and then continue. Then you will hear from a second witness and a third witness. In my opinion, that is not effective. You are not grabbing the attention and interest of the jurors. This is your first opportunity to do so. So when you get up in front of that jury, it is your time to not just list witnesses, but what I suggest is most effective is to get up in your opening statement before the jury and right from the beginning, you use sensory details. For instance, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the room was dark. Susie was laying in her twin bed with her Dora the Explorer sheets. She heard the creak of the doorknob. She felt heavy footsteps on the hardwood floors. She felt the heaviness on top of her. She smelled beer. She smelled cigarettes. She knew it was her father. Use sensory details in your opening statement. It is effective to grab the attention of the jurors. The jurors can get a sense of what the child was feeling and experiencing during these incidents. So employ sensory details in your opening statement. What the child heard, felt, saw, tasted. In addition, it is very ineffective for a prosecutor to deliver an opening statement in a soft voice. Have a clear, confident voice. Make eye contact with the jurors. Another question prosecutors may have is, in my opening statement, if I have some challenging facts, say for instance there's a delayed disclosure in the case or a recantation, do I bring that out in my opening? My suggestion is yes. Right away in the opening statement, bring out to the jury, for instance, if there was a delayed disclosure of several years, well, why was that? Well, maybe that's when the alleged perpetrator moved out of the house for the first time. So in conclusion, it is so important in an opening statement to be prepared. Do not read your opening statement from a yellow legal pad. That is very distracting to the jury. And make eye contact. Be well prepared. Use sensory details. Be confident. Be clear. And remember, this is not argument. Save that for closing argument. This is an opening statement. Do not argue, but be persuasive. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this episode of Prosecutor's Brief. If you have questions or comments, see the contact information listed below. If you'd like further information, please check the links to Calio, the NCAC online library, and other resources listed. As always, thank you for the work you conduct each day in protecting the children in your community.